Hey guys, this is Alex with Creative Vision. I did this video taking down this pine tree behind my house. Initially the video was going to be about a review of the cross sight, but I forgot to document a couple of important things, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry it's a little bit pieced together. Okay, so let's see if we could do this here with the camera. It's going to look something like this while you're using it, right? And so you're going to back up, and you're going to be looking at it, and you're going to look to match up the top of that with the top of the tree, and then that'll tell you where you're at. And now if you need to make an adjustment either back or forward because it's not fitting into the space that you need it to fall in, you simply just walk forward with it, right, as you're looking down through the sight. I'm geared up and ready to go. Got my saddle. I've got my lanyard, got my spikes on, my geckos, and I did a video on this already, the tree squeeze. I'm going to be using that because it's closed in, right? You don't want to have to take it apart, slide it out, get over any long branches or anything like that. It's kind of annoying. So here we go. One thing I'd like to point out is that, as you see, I've got my tree squeeze and my lanyard, both of them, and I'm grabbed a hold of both of them, and I'm going up the tree. It can get a little bit annoying just because, as you can see right there, I'm having to make an adjustment on it because obviously it gets skinnier as you go up. And that's not a big deal if there aren't too many stubs or things in the way. You know, because if there's stubs, then you actually have to loosen up on your tree squeeze to be able to get around it. You know, as you're going up, you don't have to have a lanyard. Obviously, I just like to do it, but technically it's the tree squeeze is there so that if you gaff out, you'll drop into the tree squeeze, the system there, and you'll be, you know, it'll squeeze in and it'll hold you up on your actual rope. So just wanted to point that out, just so you're aware of that. Alright, that's it. Now, I'll just loosen up on my lanyard until I start to rest on onto my rope and my tree squeeze here, and I'll rappel all the way down. Alright, set up and ready to cut.
All right, go ahead. Pull it over. Back up. Good safe distance. And here it comes. And we're gonna see how it comes right along the base of the trunk as it disconnects. There it goes, bam! So we got the tree down on the ground safely.
So I got the tree down safely, as you can see, and relatively in the right spot. It did hold on the right side a little too much because I didn't get an even back cut on it, and as a result a good solid even hinge. And I point that out here in just a second as we look at you can see how it held a lot more on the right side there, and so it pulled over to the right a little bit, but it wasn't too bad.
You always want to be as precise as possible because there's always variables with tree work, with taking down trees. I don't care how good you are, there are variables that can cause you problems. They can cost you money, and so you always want to consider the variables. Right there, I didn't get a good even hinge all the way through on both sides. I left too much meat on this side, and I by the way, I use that as a technique if I'm trying to get it to go a certain direction. I'll cut more on one side and leave more wood on the other side, because it does help to hold on that side a longer period of time before it disconnects and it jumps forward, which is exactly what sort of happened here. I should have made my side cut there, and I should have made sure that it was an even hinge all the way through on both sides. But anyways, came down safely. I definitely had plenty of distance in between my sawmill. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe. Got more videos coming out, tree videos, sawmill. I'm going to be, this area right here actually that I've taken this last tree out. I had several trees here that I uprooted, and I'm going to be putting up a post and beam. I've been learning about post and beam. I bought a book on it. I've been getting advice, talking to people, and I'm going to be putting up a post and beam shed right in here, and I'm going to be documenting all of that. That's going to be pretty awesome. Of course, that one's going to be in a lot of steps, because I'll be doing it between me and probably my wife. And so that one's going to take a little while, but I'm excited to do that one. That one's going to be pretty awesome. So don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe. I appreciate it very much, and there's more coming up. Thanks.